The lions coming better till the vipers scoop. And I do it for the lambs, so the fans when they stand and pick at your hands in the stands when they prance, plus it's the anthem. The son of man's coming, man, never paid the ransom and abandon us. The champion is unanimous. I ain't got the stamina, couldn't handle it. God's plan with an animal of a man, and you can't handle a man, no chance of it. Had no faith, I was panicking. Calamity, fake like mannequin, brain manic, can't manage it. Always so painful, no play, just damaging.
There was no time to do anything except just leave and just hope that you're not hurt.
Alright guys, so this is the first real flight with the cx20 on the brand new frame. This is going to be the first real flight since it's crashed earlier this summer. Back in my video where it went out of control and crashed, I decided to put all the electronics on a different frame so it's more easily accessible and I can mess with the Ardu Pilot and stuff like that way easier. So here it is on this Amazon frame here. I got a giant 5200 milliamp 3S battery in there and the Hawkeye Firefly on board for extra awesome video. So let's go for a flight and check this frame out. Battery slid forward. You want to fly it?
Where's that make it go?
Trying the return to home feature right now. The transmitter battery is low and the drone battery just beat, so we'll see if it comes back anywhere close to where it should be.